Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll go over data modeling. Data modeling is used to connect multiple data sources using a relationship. This relationship defines how data sources are connected with each other between your imported files. This specific quick tip will show you how to merge two Excel files to see state abbreviations in their state name. This video is mainly for developers. Let's start by clicking on Excel, selecting our file, and then clicking on Open. Afterwards, we'll click on the table we want to import by clicking the box here. When everything looks good, we'll click on Load to finish importing the data. We'll do the same thing for our next imported Excel file. Next, we'll select Table and choose certain fields from Sheet 1 to fill it in. Now, we can see the state abbreviations here for our report, but let's say we can determine what exactly that state stands for in the data of our Sheet 2 Excel file. Let's create a relationship between these two files by clicking on Model on the left. Then we'll drag state from our first sheet into Sheet 2's state code. This will combine the two Excel files and we can see the exact relationship of the fields highlighted by hovering here. Going back to our table, we'll click on State under Sheet 2 and we can now see a column of the state names here.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.